everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to show formulas in Excel. Ever been sent a report by someone and you're wondering which formulas they have used in the report? Or rather, have you ever done a report and applied different formulas in different cells and you're wondering how you can display all the formulas at once? Then if that's the case, this tutorial is for you, so make sure you stick around. So what you're supposed to do is to go to the icons above here and go to formulas tab and click on it. And then under formula auditing group, go to show formulas and click on it. And you can see all the formulas have been displayed that are in this report. So it means even if you had a bigger report than what I have, going downwards or even going to the right, all the formulas will be displayed at once. So if you want to go back to your values, still under formulas tab, go to show formulas and click on it and your values are back. So it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.